battling those monstrous stumps? The custom stump splitter from Sunrise. Excavating is your one-man wrecking crew. This powerhouse delivers demolition-grade force, turning those stubborn giants into mulch. It's time to reclaim your land and say goodbye to those pesky roots. Outlander versus tree stumps? Outlander wins. Seriously though, this is awesome. But remember folks, safety first. Only try this with dead stumps and decayed roots. Let's keep those Outlanders, and our yards, in one piece. If you liked the video, let us know by leaving a 1 in the comments. It would mean the world to us. Whoa, check this out. We've stumbled upon a real game changer. I used to think huge logs belonged at the sawmill, but this guy and his Holdsforma G888 are turning that notion on its head. Slicing through a massive oak like it's butter. With 8.7 horsepower packed into just 11.6 kilograms, it's the definition of a portable sawmill. Forget chainsaws. This thing is a lumberjack's fantasy made real. Holy smokes, that Timber Pro TL 735C is an absolute beast. 60% slopes in the pouring rain? That's not logging, that's defying gravity. The way that Quadco 22B Hot saw slices through those trees is mesmerizing. This machine is a testament to American engineering. Tough, powerful, and built to conquer any terrain. This Carlton 7015 TRX stump grinder is insane. It's like a monster unleashed, tearing through that stump like it's nothing. The teeth are chomping away, turning that wood into confetti. You are not just grinding a stump, you are creating a masterpiece. This machine is pure adrenaline. Holy smokes, the Dipper Fox Stump Crusher 850 Pro is an absolute beast. It's not just grinding stumps, it's obliterating them with surgical precision. This excavator attachment is a game changer, transforming stump removal from a backbreaking chore into a high-speed spectacle. With its patented gear-changing mechanism and lightning-fast performance, it's no wonder they call it the most efficient stump removal tool in the world. This is the way to clear land, folks. A bulldozer and anchor chain makes short work of even the densest vegetation. It's a heck of a lot quicker than using hand tools, and it's safer for everyone involved. Plus, we're not leaving a chemical mess or risking wildfires. It's a good day's work. There are tons of ways to get rid of stubborn stumps, but I wanted to share this easy trick with salt. Cut the stump down as low as you can, then make some crisscross cuts on top with a chainsaw. Finally, just dump a bunch of salt on it. It might take a while depending on the type of tree, but it's a simple way to get the job done. Trees have a life cycle, same as anything else. They grow, they thrive, and eventually they start to decline. When you see a massive tree, chances are the heartwood's already rotting out. This makes them vulnerable to storms and high winds, and they can become a real hazard. It's our job to take them down safely before they cause any damage. was worried those big guys were going to take a tumble. Glad everything's okay. Whoa, yanking a tree stump with your truck? That's some serious DIY ambition. Just remember, one wrong move and that cable could turn into a deadly whip. Don't let your weekend project end up on the evening news.
Oh my god. You got it!
If you think all chainsaws are the same, watch this video and be amazed by these monsters. With V8 engines and massive blades, this will be the most exciting thing you see today. Amidst the snowy expanse of Granite Falls, Washington, a 1973 Kenworth logging truck stands out like a classic work of art. The truck exudes a vintage charm, a testament to the durability and quality of old-school craftsmanship. From classic chainsaws to modern harvesters, the evolution of saws is a remarkable story. Thank you for joining us on this journey. See you in the next videos. On slopes like these, felling a centuries-old cedar isn't just logging, it's a high-stakes ballet. Every cut, every wedge, every rope placement is choreographed with precision. One misstep, and the mountainside becomes a stage for tragedy. These aren't just loggers, they're virtuosos of risk and responsibility. Steep inclines present a significant hazard for heavily laden logging vehicles. Navigating such terrain necessitates a highly skilled operator and the utilization of winching equipment to ensure a safe and successful transit.
De la carga era mejor esto, señor.
Cutting trees is like a chess match against nature, where you need to anticipate the tree's next move. Tangled branches and wedged trees are like tricky puzzles, requiring careful planning and precise cuts to bring them down safely. And remember, sometimes the smartest move is knowing when to step back and call in reinforcements. Holy smokes! With this 630 horsepower Ahui RT, 800 mulcher beast on the scene, that unlucky Stump picked the wrong fight. Mibor SDH chain saw line is an effective solution for the wood processing industry. With the ability to handle logs up to 450 millimeters in diameter and an output of 150 to 300 cubic meters per 8-hour shift, the system includes the SDH-D 400 circular saw and the VC 900DE26 multi-blade saw. Advanced technology ensures precise cutting, improving productivity for medium and large factories. A precariously hanging tree, like a ticking time bomb in the forest canopy, requires immediate action. Its unstable position, caught mid-fall, poses a serious threat. One wrong move could trigger a release of pent-up energy, resulting in disastrous consequences. A skilled arborist, equipped with experience and specialized tools, can safely remove this hazard, minimizing the risk and restoring peace to the woodland. Raise your hand if you're done with backbreaking firewood chores. The Oak Series Wood Splitter is here to save the day. And you're back. 25 tons of power and a 6-second cycle time? Yeah, it's that good. Say goodbye to sweat and hello to effortless firewood. A majestic pine towers over a pristine blanket of snow. The crisp air crackles with anticipation. The moment this giant yields to gravity, that's a spectacle you won't want to miss. The Cat 323, a paragon of power and durability, delivers the performance of a seasoned veteran. Its robust digging arm and a 172 horsepower Cat C7.1 engine effortlessly slice through stubborn roots and wrest even the most tenacious stumps from the earth. Imagine navigating the tight spaces between trees with the agility of a bobcat. That's the T300 for you. Its compact size and nimble maneuverability make it the ideal machine for weaving through dense forests. Say goodbye to back-breaking stump removal. The CBI Stump Shear is a game-changer. Its powerful steel jaw and hydraulics make even the toughest stumps look like toothpicks. It's like watching a wood-eating dinosaur in action, and it's so satisfying. If you're serious about clearing land, this is the tool you need. Honestly, I'm still confused about why the base of the tree was on fire and why the guy decided to cut it down while it was still burning. Can someone please explain this to me? Leave a comment below and help me out. Oh my god, my worst nightmare has come true. Thank goodness no one was hurt. Logmax 6000B is a powerful wood harvester designed to optimize forestry operations. With its ability to handle large trees, advanced hydraulic system, and durable construction, it increases productivity in the woods, reduces maintenance costs, and improves harvesting yields. The MB-R900 drum cutter. It is intended for the precise machining of natural materials, rock and stone. Thus, using it on a stump is like to bringing a bazooka to a knife duel. But wow, is it satisfying to see it work? A showdown. Man versus tree. They went for the roots, hoping for a lumber jackpot. But oh boy, did they underestimate Mother Nature? Honestly, I'm still confused about why the base of the tree was on fire and why the guy decided to cut it down while it was still burning. Can someone please explain this to me? Leave a comment below and help me out. The NTB wood sawing system, a product of Japan, is the industry's fastest twin band saw. Its pre-log registration feature streamlines automatic cutting, processing logs in an impressive 18.5 seconds. NTB offers a compelling solution for automation and labor efficiency in modern wood mills. The TigerCat 1075C forwarder's performance in Sweden is a testament to its exceptional engineering. Designed for high production forestry, it thrives in demanding environments, ensuring maximum uptime and efficiency. Its versatility as a base carrier for site prep equipment further solidifies its value in the forestry industry. This machine is a game changer for any operation seeking to boost productivity. Forget Jurassic Park, this mobile debarker is the real dinosaur attraction. It's like a prehistoric monster, chomping through logs with ferocious appetite. But unlike its extinct ancestors, this machine is here to stay, revolutionizing the forestry industry with its sheer awesomeness. Who knew debarking could be so entertaining? This machine is a true spectacle, a testament to human creativity and the power of engineering. While using a Dodge 1500 and ball hitch to yank out a stubborn tree stump might seem doable in a pinch, let's not get ahead of ourselves. Safety first, folks. Remember, those ball hitches aren't invincible. They can break off under pressure, turning your DIY project into a real-life disaster movie. Witness the raw power of man and machine as we conquer the mighty Trembesi. This ain't no backyard hack job. We're talking precision felling with the Steel MS 881 and MS 382, the undisputed heavyweight champs of chainsaws. Watch these seasoned pros transform a towering giant into perfectly sized timber. Witness the mastery of a log loader pro. This Cat 320 CLL isn't just a machine, it's an extension of the operator's will. Handling studwood in freezing temps with pinpoint accuracy is a rare skill, and it's what makes this $20,000 to $28,000 investment pay off in spades. A showdown. Man versus tree. They went for the roots, hoping for a lumber jackpot. But oh boy, did they underestimate Mother Nature? I am absolutely blown away by the Komatsu 931. It's a beast on those slopes, and it makes harvesting timber look like a walk in the park. Who else thinks this machine deserves a raise? Oh my god, my worst nightmare has come true. Thank goodness no one was hurt. A bus is definitely strong, but a tree is just as stubborn. Pulling a tree with brute force alone is tough, isn't it? A bus is definitely strong, but a tree is just as stubborn. Pulling a tree with brute force alone is tough, isn't it? I am absolutely blown away by the Komatsu 931. It's a beast on those slopes, and it makes harvesting timber look like a walk in the park. Who else thinks this machine deserves a raise? Behold, a giant of the forest makes its way into the mill. Quite a majestic sight, wouldn't you agree? Transporting such a large tree requires careful planning and a skilled hand at the wheel. Once settled in the mill, the tree will be meticulously measured and then cut into large planks, much like fragmenting a painting. Each plank will be sorted based on quality and intended use, ready to be transformed into beautiful wooden products. At the lumberyard, the L260H is ready for action. It swiftly unloads the logs, marking the end of the workday for the truck drivers. We salute their hard work and dedication. Oh my god, what a close call. I didn't think cutting down trees could be this scary. I'll be honest, Komatsu has once again raised the bar in forestry equipment. The 895's performance in snowy conditions is a testament to their engineering prowess. Operator comfort and safety remain paramount, ensuring optimal productivity even in challenging environments. This machine is a clear leader in its class. The PSP pole and post peeler represents a significant advancement in log processing efficiency. Its capacity to handle logs of varying sizes, combined with its impressive processing speed, positions it as a valuable asset for any operation seeking to optimize productivity. Moorbark's innovative design ensures a superior finish, further enhancing its appeal. This Ripper attachment might not win any beauty contests, but its performance is undeniable. It's a testament to Kobelco's engineering prowess, seamlessly integrating with the SK160's hydraulic system for optimal power and efficiency. Observe the precision with which it penetrates the soil, effortlessly removing roots and stumps. This minimalist tool delivers maximum impact, showcasing the true potential of the SK160 in land clearing operations.
Because you flick them and then the rocks flick off the top. They're easy. Woo. Think I'll end up breaking this stump apart before. Oh no, she's coming. That's what I thought. Break it apart. When they're old like that, they'll just break it in a couple pieces, which is good. Shake it out.
The Mebor SLH 1200 debarker showcases cutting-edge technology in log processing. Its robust build and automated features significantly enhance productivity, minimizing downtime and maximizing throughput. The integrated scanner and remote control capabilities streamline operations, requiring minimal operator intervention. This machine is a valuable asset for any sawmill seeking to optimize efficiency and streamline workflow. The solitude, the challenge, the quiet hum of the engine. And that moment when a fellow trucker's lights break through the darkness, it's a reminder you're not alone out there. Holy smokes! With this 630 horsepower Ahui RT, 800 mulcher beast on the scene, that unlucky Stump picked the wrong fight. Ever seen a tree disappear in seconds? That's the magic of the Woodcracker CS610. This excavator attachment is a beast, effortlessly slicing through trees with its 360-degree rotation and powerful saw. It's lightweight and compact, perfect for tackling urban jungles or storm-ravaged areas. Plus, its smart tech keeps the chain tensioned and the sawbox happy, minimizing downtime. Ready to witness the power of the CS610? The NTB wood sawing system, a product of Japan, is the industry's fastest twin band saw. Its pre-log registration feature streamlines automatic cutting, processing logs in an impressive 18.5 seconds. NTB offers a compelling solution for automation and labor efficiency in modern wood mills. Ever seen a log turn into lumber? The R63-5B frame saw is your backstage pass. Picture this, a massive frame, blades lined up like teeth, slicing through wood like butter. It's a powerhouse, once the heart of any sawmill worth its salt. Sure, it's old school now, but trust me, watching it in action, pure magic. I must confess, I'm a bit of a John Deere enthusiast. The sheer power and precision of these machines never ceases to amaze me. From the rumble of the engine to the rhythmic clack of the harvester head, every aspect of their operation is a symphony of efficiency. I could watch them work for hours on end. Any fellow fans out there? Let me know in the comments. The transportation of timber presents significant challenges and inherent risks, regardless of the terrain. Ever tried wrestling a giant log with a handsaw? Not fun, right? Well, the CTR750GX Mobile is here to save the day. It's like a lumberjack on steroids, slicing through 75-centimeter logs like butter. It's so precise, you'll think it has laser vision. And with its powerful petrol engine, it's always ready for action, no matter how remote your workshop. Okay, $17,000 might sound like a lot, but it's cheaper than therapy after a log wrestling mishap. So ditch the chainsaw and embrace the future of woodworking. Your back will thank you. Just a simple pulley system, and a car yanked that stump out like it was nothing. That's the power of physics. Oh my gosh, saw's jammed. Pros know to drop it like it's hot and get out of there. Safety first, right? Better to be safe than sorry. Check out this beastly wood harvester, the HE 93.1 Koenig Tiger. It cuts down the thickest trees with precision, using a second set of arms to gently lay them down without damaging the surrounding area. The driver's seat adjusts for comfort, and the machine stays level on hills. It's like a giant, careful lumberjack on tracks, proving that harvesting wood can be done sustainably. Whoa, yanking a tree stump with your truck? That's some serious DIY ambition. Just remember, one wrong move and that cable could turn into a deadly whip. Don't let your weekend project end up on the evening news.
Oh my god. You got it!
Hold on to your hard hats, folks, because we're about to witness some serious sawing power. This ain't your grandpa's chainsaw. The GS44XL grapple saw is a force of nature, engineered to chomp through 30-inch logs like they're twigs. I've always admired the raw power and versatility of the Caterpillar D8 dozer. But witnessing a D8 equipped with a homemade stump splitter is a revelation. This DIY attachment effortlessly cleaves through stubborn stumps by harnessing the D8's immense pushing power, reducing them to manageable pieces. All that's left is to bulldoze the splintered stump out of the ground. Hold on to your hats, folks. These V8-powered hot saws aren't just chainsaws. They're mechanical monsters unleashed on timber. Witnessing a 30-inch log disintegrate in under 2 seconds is pure, unadulterated power. Oh my gosh, that was close. A leaning tree like that is a serious liability. It's crucial to assess the risk before attempting any removal, and always use the appropriate techniques and equipment. This could have been a very different outcome. Kneebore SDH chain saw line is an effective solution for the wood processing industry. With the ability to handle logs up to 450 millimeters in diameter and an output of 150 to 300 cubic meters per 8-hour shift, the system includes the SDH D400 circular saw and the VC 900 DE26 multi-blade saw. Advanced technology ensures precise cutting, improving productivity for medium and large factories. Feast your eyes on the Wiedemann 1000, a mobile debarking machine that's a force of nature. This German-engineered marvel isn't just stripping bark. It's redefining efficiency in the timber industry. With decades of expertise backing them, Wiedemann has crafted a machine that's both powerful and precise, a testament to their commitment to quality and innovation. This isn't just a debarker, it's a symbol of German engineering excellence. That Tiger Cat 860C is making those eucalyptus trees look like toothpicks. It's like watching a monster truck rally, but instead of crushing cars, it's harvesting timber. The way it grabs, cuts, and stacks those trees is mesmerizing. If I were a tree, I'd be shaking in my roots right now.
A precariously hanging tree, like a ticking time bomb in the forest canopy, requires immediate action. Its unstable position, caught mid-fall, poses a serious threat. One wrong move could trigger a release of pent-up energy, resulting in disastrous consequences. A skilled arborist, equipped with experience and specialized tools, can safely remove this hazard, minimizing the risk and restoring peace to the woodland. If you think all chainsaws are the same, watch this video and be amazed by these monsters. With V8 engines and massive blades, this will be the most exciting thing you see today. Phew, that was a close one. I was worried those big guys were going to take a tumble. Glad everything's okay. Picture this. The roar of a chainsaw shatters the stillness. A unique scent fills the air, a blend of machine oil and fresh sap. With each bite of the blade into the massive trunk, the sound of wood being severed echoes in your mind. It's a primal scene, isn't it, folks? A towering giant, once a symbol of invincibility, now succumbing. Ever felt like David facing Goliath, but with a chainsaw and a really big tree? Don't worry, we've got this. Call in the cavalry, your neighbor and their trusty tractor. Make a few strategic cuts and bam! Physics wins again. Who needs muscles when you've got brains? Conquering challenging roads, Ford Cargo 3230 demonstrates its unwavering endurance and extraordinary strength. Coupled with the exceptional skill of its driver, it commands awe and admiration from all who witness its prowess. Get ready to revolutionize your wood chipping operations with the Chipper Truck Cobra, HEM 593 from JENZ. This powerhouse effortlessly handles logs up to a massive 560 millimeters in diameter, while the 180-degree rotating cabin gives you complete control and maneuverability, no matter the job site. Experience the future of wood chipping. Efficiency, power, and flexibility combined. Can we talk about how awesome that operator was? Seriously, nerves of steel. And that skidder? Beast mode. It's like, give a skilled person the right tools, and they can conquer anything. I bet this is a first for you all. This Caterpillar 309CR is sporting a saw and a grapple. It can reach up high to trim branches and then scoop up all the mess. Pretty clever, huh? What do you think? The Valtra A124 forestry tractor may look like a cuddly teddy bear, but don't be fooled. This compact machine packs a serious punch. With its fully loaded Palms trailer and crane 7.86, the A124 is like a tireless workhorse, effortlessly hauling timber through even the most demanding landscapes. It's a testament to the fact that size isn't everything in the forestry world. Oh, this Belarus EMS 1025 is a real champ. It tackles those tough logging jobs with a smile. Heavy loads, muddy trails, no problem. This tractor's got it all under control. It's like a trusty sidekick, always ready for an adventure. Whoa, hold the phone. This is mind-blowing. That trucker's pulling off some Superman-level stunts? How in the world is he doing that? I'm on the edge of my seat here. And that's a wrap on today's woodworking adventure. Until next time, keep those blades sharp and your projects even sharper.
Bored? Forget Netflix. Grab a trolley jack. Turns out, wrestling a tree stump out of the ground is surprisingly entertaining. It's a challenge, it's a workout, and it's way more fun than staring at a screen. Who knew yard work could be so exciting? Plus, no one got hurt, nothing broke, and the job's done. Bonus. Check out the Tiger Cat 870C, Feller Buncher, carving its way through Expo Forest 2018. This beast isn't just clearing land, it's making a statement. With its powerful jaws and surgical precision, it's transforming the landscape with ease. This is what peak forestry performance looks like. A symphony of power, efficiency, and sheer awesomeness. It's no wonder this machine was a showstopper at the largest forestry trade show of the year. This chainsaw operator is like a wood-carving ninja. They wield that still 070 with the grace of a samurai, effortlessly turning rough logs into smooth, beautiful planks. It's like watching a magic trick, but instead of rabbits and hats, it's sawdust and lumber. This video is proof that with the right skills and the right tool, you can turn any piece of wood into a masterpiece. The MB R900 drum cutter. It's designed for the accurate processing of natural materials, so using it on a stump is like bringing a bazooka to a knife fight. But damn, is it satisfying to watch it work? This tenacious stump, a 4-year veteran of the landscape, finally met its match in a spectacular showdown against the formidable duo of the Oliver 1650 tractor and the Kaiser 666. The earth trembled, roots groaned, and in a moment of pure exhilaration, the stump succumbed to the unyielding force of man and machine. This, my friends, is a spectacle not to be missed. The John Deere 959 M. Feller-Buncher Showdown highlights the machine's exceptional capabilities and the operator's expertise. The controlled felling technique demonstrates a deep understanding of both the equipment and the delicate balance required to protect the timber. This is a testament to the 959M's precision and power, as well as the skill and dedication of those who operate it. Hauling these big old trim beasts ain't for the faint of heart. It takes a driver with years of experience, a steady hand, and a whole lot of know-how. You gotta be able to wrangle that massive trunk through tight spots and keep it balanced. It's a tough job, but somebody's gotta do it. The Atera Stump Planer is a game changer. 3 hardened steel cutters, a replaceable pilot for precision, and it works seamlessly with auger extensions for those deep-rooted stumps. Pair it with the Atera auger drive on your skid steer, and you've got an unstoppable stump grinding machine. This grizzly M500E is a brute. Tackles anything you throw at it. Thick trees, gnarly brush, it devours it all. The compact design is perfect for maneuvering in tight spaces. And that heavy-duty housing is built to last. For $32,500, it's the ultimate forestry weapon. Stump removal has never been more efficient. With this industrial-grade stump grinder, those pesky root systems are no match. Simply load the condemned stumps into the hopper and let the machine's ravenous teeth turn them into wood chips in a matter of minutes.